Hello, my name is Juliana Oseguera, and I am currently in the 6th grade, and I attend Pantera Elementary School in the city of Diamond Bar. My experiment is based on what liquid makes a plant grow the most. I hypothesize that fertilizer water will work the best because fertilizer and water helps make a plant grow. I also think that milk will work the worst because within a few days your plant may start wilting if you use too much. On day 1 I gathered all my materials and measured my plants. Then I watered them with 1 ounce of the different liquids. On day 2 I measured the plants and watered them with 1 ounce of the liquids and wrote down my observations. On day 3 I measured them and wrote down observations. On day 4 I measured my plants and watered them and took down observations. On day 5 and 6 I measured my plants and wrote down observations. On day 7 and 8 I measured my plants, then watered them with 1 ounce of the different liquids and wrote down some of my observations. On day 9 I measured my plants one last time and took my last observations. The result of my outcomes was that water, fertilizer water, and milk worked the best by growing a ½ inch. Lemonade and milk worked the worst because they wilted by 4½ inches and 2 inches. My hypothesis was partially incorrect because I stated that milk would be one of the worst growing ones, but milk turned out to be one of the tallest growing ones. I enjoy doing this experiment, and if I were to ever do it again, I would use different liquids to see how it works. Thank you all.